Use the product rule to differentiate y is equal to e to the 2x over x. Now, we could actually use the quotient rule here, but the question specifically asked me to use the product rule. So if we write down y is equal to e to the power of 2x over x, and then what we can do is write the x as x to the minus 1, so it becomes y is equal to x to the minus 1 e to the 2x. This is now a product, as opposed to this is a quotient. So using the product rule, uv, so u is going to be equal to x to the minus 1. If we differentiate that, that becomes minus x to the minus 2. That's du by dx, which we can rewrite as minus 1 over x squared. V will be equal to e to the 2x. If we differentiate this, you differentiate the power, which is 2, and put it down in front. So dv by dx will be 2e to the 2x. Right, the product rule says dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So substituting the values in. So u is x to the minus 1. So I'm going to go back and write it as 1 over x. dv by dx is 2e to the 2x. Notice I'm putting everything in brackets. Plus v, which is e to the 2x, times du by dx, which is minus 1 over x squared. So this will now be equal to 2e to the 2x over x, and this one will become minus e to the 2x over x squared. So writing that out again. Thing to do now is to look for a common denominator. So we've got x and x squared, so the common denominator is going to be x squared. So that means this x would have to be multiplied by an x, so I need to do it to the numerator, so it becomes 2x e to the 2x minus e to the 2x. We don't have to do anything here because it's already over x squared. Next thing to do is to factorize. So what is a common factor? There's a common factor of e to the 2x in the numerator. The denominator will just be x squared, and we're going to be left with, in brackets, 2x minus 1. And then we could go on to use that if we needed to. So this has been a video to show you how to differentiate an exponential function using the product rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.